There are several ways to add items to a purchase order. The first option is to add the items when creating the purchase order. However, there are other ways that allow you to take inventory and sales into account when adding items to a purchase order. This can help you make an informed decision of what to order, when to order, and what the order quantity should be. On the Manage Inventory page, open the Advanced Search tab and locate the Mode field at the top right. Now select Show Quantity for Products and click Search. In this search mode, you can hover your mouse over the SKU to reveal the sales history of that SKU. If this item has shadow SKUs, click here to expand the product and hover over the shadow SKU to reveal its sales history. This information can be used in deciding your order quantities and receiving warehouses. Select the items you want to order, open the Action menu, and select Add to Purchase Order. You will be given the options of adding to an existing purchase order or creating a new one. To add to an existing purchase order, enter the PO number here, or click on this link to find it in the search window. Click on the purchase order number and the number will appear in the box. To create a new purchase order, select that option and enter a purchase order description. Now click Add or Create Purchase Order. Let's look at another place to add items to a purchase order. Open the toolbox of a product and scroll down to the Purchasing tab. On this page, you have several fields to help manage your inventory level, and you can use this panel to add the opened item to a purchase order. Enter the quantity, price, and discount values. Now select from this drop-down to either add the item to an existing purchase order or create a new purchase order. Select a vendor, select a receiving warehouse, and click Add to PO. A notification box will display with a link to the created purchase order. In the Inventory Low Notice On field, you can set an inventory low level at which the product will be filtered for notice of reorder. Here's how. Set this field to a value of 5, for example, and click Save. Now, navigate to the Unfillable Products page located under the Inventory tab. Select Below Inventory Low Level. As soon as this item's inventory level dips below 5, it will appear in this grid. Using the Unfillable Orders filter, all unavailable items of back orders will list in the grid. You can use this drop-down to filter items that have already been ordered. Please be aware that for this to work, the status of a purchase order must have been changed from saved or pending to ordered. When setting inventory low levels with a bulk update, use the column header Inventory Low Stock Notice. You can also filter items by vendor so that the purchase order will only contain items for a particular vendor. Select the items you want to order and click Add to Purchase Order on the Action menu. Another option is to drag and drop an item from the main grid into the purchase order cart. Then click Edit Cart and set up the rest of your purchase order on the following screen. For more information on linking inventory to purchase orders, please visit wiki.sellercloud.com.